I just saw Sara Dietschy's How to Be a YouTuber on a Budget video. I thought it was a great video. There's a lot of good nuggets in there. I just have a couple things I want to add when it comes to making videos on YouTube. Hey, welcome to Filmmaker's Formula. I'm Kevin, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. Number one is lighting. Many people ignore lighting. A camera survives off light, so if you want it to perform well, you want to feed it quality light. You know how sometimes your footage looks super grainy like this? It's because your camera's struggling and squinting to see more, so it bumps up the ISO. So which lights should you choose? There's basically two types of lights. There's this yellow light known as tungsten, and then there's this white light known as fluorescent. Go with the fluorescent. It's usually the right call. Cheapest you can go is using sunlight. A notch above that is just a softbox on Amazon. After going through a bunch of cameras, I can honestly tell you that with proper lighting, you can shoot with your phone and nobody would notice. Second thing is audio. Please make sure your audio is good. Don't use the onboard mic if you can. Try to get a lapel mic. They run for like $20 on Amazon. Something better than that is like a Yeti mic. Those are pretty good. But if you don't have a mic, this is what you would sound like, and you probably wouldn't want to keep watching. With good sound, people can focus on what you're saying instead of how you sound. Third thing I want to add is have an interesting background. Don't just stand in front of a white background. Don't be afraid to show the space around you. Find things you like and put it in the background so it looks more interesting. It doesn't matter where you shoot your video. It doesn't have to be Yosemite or the Yellowstone National Park. I'm literally in a walk-in closet right now because I have a shelf back there I can put things on, and it makes it look more interesting. Do it anywhere you want. Be creative. If you want to kill two birds with one stone, find a window you can film next to, probably in a living room where things are more interesting. Around when the sun comes up or when it starts going down, that's the best time to be filming. You'll get a great lighting and a steady background. Just one last thing. Everyone is learning. If you aren't embarrassed by your last video, you aren't improving. So you gotta keep them videos coming so you can improve and get better. Look at the lighting for the videos I shot last week. Look at that. Can't believe I didn't see how bad that looked. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We make videos every week on storytelling and cinematography tips, so we would love to have you. Not sure why we say we, I mean me. For those of you that stuck to the end, here's a video from 2010 that I swore would never see the light of day, but here you go. I'd catch a grenade. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. Until the next video, I'll see you later.